Hello Beach Class and Oak Class, I'm going to read to you the story of the Hungry Caterpillar. Follow along the words and join in with me when you can. Here goes. So The Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. I'm hungry, he thought. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through, I'm going to try and remember it, a piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream, 1 pickle, 1 slice of cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, a piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, 1 slice of watermelon, and that night he had a stomachache. Oh dear. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't a hungry caterpillar anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly. There we go. Have you seen any butterflies around this year? Well, take care, everyone, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.